Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to download a specific mod for GTA 5. Namely, let's just check Natural Vision Evolve, okay? So let me just go back on this one. So the first thing I want you to do is you'll have two links to open. First is going to be reasemods.com/GTA5 because you want to make sure this is for GTA 5, right? Because there are a lot of options right there, actually there are 4. So click on GTA 5 right there and just pause right here. Second is open this link. Let me just go back. It's going to be openiv.com. You'll need this one also. So with this one, just click on Natural Vision Evolve or Natural Vision Remastered. So since we're going for the Evolve one, click on View, click on Download right there. Once you click on Download, you'll have a file, a raw file right there, and then go on the openiv.com. Next one, simply click on OpenIV. If you click on Download, I already downloaded both of them earlier, by the way. So with this one, once you have them downloaded, just open them up. Let me just open mine up right now. Give me a second right here. I just want to extract whatever inside that RAR file and just go on my desktop right there. Okay? Now going back, since I have them on my desktop right now, next one is going to be OpenIV Setup. Click on that one. Make sure you run this one, okay? I don't need to run it anymore because I have it installed on my PC. And then once that's done, we just wait for it to finish installing the OpenIV and then head over to this document folder. Since we both know that we need to find our GTA 5 directory, I'm going to teach you how to find it. So first things first, you need to locate where did you install it on Steam. Is it on local disk C, local disk V, or an external hard drive? Since on mine I installed in local disk C, I'm gonna go here and then look for program files 86. Once inside that one, just hit on letter S, look for Steam, another letter S for you guys right there, Steam apps right here, and click on common. There is GTA 5 right there, right? Now, basically once I'm inside, I'm just gonna minimize this one and open another file folder. So you might guess what's happening right now. We're just gonna drag everything we downloaded earlier. So click on, I'm just gonna delete the Word file, we don't need that one. So copy this one, everything, and just drag them over here, okay? I'm not gonna drag them actually because they're already inside my GTA directory. So that's it. A preview for this one, let's just check on how it looks. So basically it's gonna enhance everything inside GTA 5. As you can see right now, there's the nightlight, the graphics, everything is good to go with Natural Vision Evolve. Okay? As you can see right there, it will take you to another destination. The cars are being modded perfectly. They look nice, they look better. Basically, it's a +1 for everything. Okay? So thank you so much for watching. That's how we installed Natural Vision Evolve on GTA 5. Please hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one, okay? Goodbye for now, guys.